part 3, and this time we have orange. But don't do it yet, don't do it yet. Also, by the way, this was hard to get up here, so please like